Hi, I'm Jenna Neal.
I can't reach.
And this is my little Spidey. Alright, so hi, I'm Jenna Neal, and today I wanted to talk about backpack totes and do a comparison video between my AZARIA backpack tote in the color maple with my ELKIE backpack tote in the color black. They are very similar backpack diaper bag style tote backpacks. However, they're very different. So I wanted to take a minute and go over the details. I've had a lot of questions about both bags and which one I like more, which one I like for different reasons. And so I thought doing a comparison video would help everybody make the choice that is best for them and their situation. Everything in this video is my opinion. I have purchased all these bags myself. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. All right, let's get started. First, this was my first purchase with AZARIA in a really long time. I am obsessed with this style. So I love the messenger bag. I love the fact that I can wear this over my shoulder. I am a heavy packer though, so sometimes it gets a little too heavy to wear on my shoulder, but I love this. I love that I can fit all my stuff. It opens up. I love this style, but I also want to be able to transition into this comfortable option. So there is also the shoulder bag strap that can also be converted. So crossbody, I can throw it over my back. I love the crossbody option, but another reason why I really like this bag, I have the crossbody strap that drops in. I also have the shoulder or arm straps, but also that comes with this bag, backpack straps. So very easily I just clip here and then I clip down below. There's one and then there's two. So I can easily install backpack straps. I can switch to the crossbody. I can zip it, which I love, but if I'm in a hurry and don't want to zip it, I can also secure it, which I love. And then I have my straps. I can put this over or behind, whichever, and adjust my straps accordingly to whatever position I want it on my back. And now I have a backpack tote.
Backpack token.
Backpack tote. Do you love it?
Backpack token.
This makes me want to use this bag. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Loving it. So, this is the AZARIA tote in the color maple. The reason I think I like it so much too is because this is vegan leather. So it's not very heavy, which I like because I fill my bag so much, but it's smooth. It's not the pebble. I'm not a fan of the pebble. It has the seam on the side. It's a little bit wider at the base, and then it doesn't come with any feet, but the strap's secure, so it looks like it's pretty durable. I love that the hardware has here so that they easily fall down. I like that about the bag. There is a brass hardware. I mean, that's pretty durable hardware, so there's not a magnetic closure. It's actually secure. And then there's a magnetic pocket right here where I can stick my keys or my phone. And again, on the back side, you see the D-ring to do the backpack straps. And I also have a zipper pocket here where I can put my phone or my keys or the backpack straps should I not want to use them at the moment. So I really like the way the outside of the bag is made, constructed, and how it looks. I love how this looks on the body, how it holds, and what it holds. So next I will go over the inside in comparison with the ELKIE, but first I want to show you the ELKIE and what it looks like on the outside. So here I have the ELKIE diaper bag. So this is the diaper bag tote, and it is a little bit different, but not totally different. So I love black. Black is my signature color I go to. I am not really sure about the pebble leather, so I've been told this is a really high level pebble vegan leather. It's not matte. It is heavy. I feel like this bag is a lot heavier. I don't know if heavy means better. It's different. Not my favorite because of how heavy it is and it's empty. So okay, let's do it on the body. All right, so I can can hold this bag on my body. It does feel a little bit more stable and secure in the shape. It does go over my shoulder, has the shoulder straps. This is where it differs from the AZARIA. So the shoulder straps, but I also have one strap for the backpack. So I have to convert this into a backpack strap. So in order to use this as a backpack, I have to use the only strap I have with it.
Yeah.
So the ELKIE tote, and I believe they changed a little bit since I've had this one. I believe this is the 1.0 version. They do come with this tassel. To me, that just adds weight. I don't think it's that pretty, but it's on there because I don't want to lose it. It does come with 2 front pockets. Ooh, they are magnetic. If you're a pockets person, you might really like this one over the AZARIA because this one has the side bottle pockets. I don't ever put bottles on the outside because I'm too OCD for that. Sorry, I can't do it. I'd have to have 2, and then it just, I don't know, it just changes the shape of the bag, and I don't like that. So another difference, so the bottom of the bag does come with feet. So if that's a big thing for you, they do have 4 metal feet on the bottom of the ELKIE. It is built a little bit different. It doesn't have the side seam, so it has the bottle pockets. It does feel wider, so it might hold a lot more. And then, so they have the backpack straps, but there's also this huge pocket, so you could put your diaper changing pad back there. It does come with one, so there is that added feature. So this allows it to be the same size. I would leave the straps on to then grab it and transition. I wouldn't take the time to do that while I'm out or something. I guess if I know I'm only going to be doing crossbody or only be doing backpack, I would leave it, but I don't think I would. I like this. So there you have it, 2 different options. So here I have the ELKIE in the color black and the AZARIA in Tote in the color maple. So again, the key difference is the front. This one has the magnetic closures in the pockets, which is actually a good thing because I always worry that things will fall out. It does have 2 side pockets and a laptop option right here, which it also has a snap. So you could do a laptop, you could do your diaper pad. Works really well with that. And it actually comes with a diaper pad. The AZARIA does not come with the diaper pad. It does have the front pocket. There is also the magnetic snap. It does have the option to do the snap and the zipper. The other one just has the zipper. The back difference, the zipper pocket, there is no external pocket. And then again, the straps are removable. So for the inside, first we're going to look at the ELKIE. It is a zipper bag. The zipper seems pretty fine for me. No problem there. So this bag is interesting because it has a different options. The reason I got this is because I liked that this actually comes out. So this does come with the ELKIE mat. So a diaper pad. And then it also comes with a clutch. So it's pretty big clutch. Pretty nice. It also comes with a strap. So a pretty easy grab for a mom purse. This all comes with the bag. So I felt like that was a good addition. And then you can see on the inside. So this is cotton, which I am not really a fan of, but I do like it a lot better than the mesh. So you get 2 pockets right here. I do feel like when you have the liner in, it doesn't hold as much. There are 2 pockets on one side and 2 pockets on the other side. There's also the clips. It took me a while to figure out what these were for. I thought it was really strange, but there's also the bottle pocket on the inside and the outside. So you can take these and clip them in. I hate bags that have a divider in the middle, so I probably would never use this, but it's an option if you like those bags that have the middle divider, so it stays in one place and it's secure. That's kind of a neat added bonus. And then so you have a wide base, which I also like this bag because this comes out, so we're really good about spilling things in our bags. And I feel like when you do remove this though, you get so much additional space. So it has been removed, and then the inside of the bag just opens up so much. There aren't any packs or lines, any zipper pockets in here. So if you're not a fan of packs, I don't recommend this as an option. So we're gonna move on to the AZARIA so I can show you the difference inside the AZARIA. So for the AZARIA tote, now I love everything about the outside of this bag. I love how it looks. I hate the inside of this bag. I don't use it. I love that it comes with all these cool features. It's pink. So you have the laptop pouch, or you could put like your diaper pad in there if you wanted. It does have, again, why I don't like this bag, it has these weird cotton nylon packets. They're so small. One's really large, these two are smaller. I can fit a standard book in this one, but I can't in these, so they're kind of wasted space. I really don't like mesh at all. So I probably would use this bag and I'd be so happy with it if the inside was different. There is a zipper pocket back here that holds a lot of good stuff. I really like this pocket so I can put my packs in there, my pens, my wallet, and then the two side pockets. I can fit my sunglasses in here or my water bottle. It does hold a lot of stuff, and I do like the fact that it holds a lot of stuff, and I do leave it on this shelf right here, and I will throw a lot of stuff in it, but to me, I don't need a bag to just sit here and throw stuff, so it's not something that I've selected off of my shelf to use. Yay! Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Jenna Neal, and thumbs up. Just wanted to give you a last minute glance at the beautiful bags. That's the AZARIA tote in the color maple, and then again, yeah, the ELKIE in the color black. Both of them are beautiful. You can't really go wrong between either one of these bags, so if you're on the fence, do it. I highly recommend either one. I just have my preferences and I have my differences, what I like and I don't like. Hopefully this helps you to make your decision. Again, like both of them, love the outside of the bag. If you're looking for something that is extremely durable and it comes with the added features, I recommend this one because it does come with the mom bag and the diaper pad. This one, however, I think is so elegant and easier to use because it comes with the extra strap. So it really depends on what you need the bag to be useful for. This one, while the laptop works in the back, it's not really designed for a laptop bag. This one has a specific feature in the laptop. If you're gonna fill it with more stuff, I recommend this one because it holds a little bit better. This one is full to the brim and I don't feel like I got as much stuff as I would need or want, and it's super bulging. So if you don't have a lot of stuff, I recommend this one. If you have a lot of stuff, I recommend this one. But again, it's to your own. If you have messy kids and a need to clean the inside of your bag, I definitely recommend this one because the inside comes out. That's amazing. Throw it in the wash. It's pretty cool. So I hope this helped you make your decision, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for taking the time to spend with me. It means a lot. Yay! I hope you have a really good rest of your day. Yay! Now it is kid time. You see the Spider-Man has kind of escaped. Now I need to go find them because, well, kid time. Yay! Thank you.
Now we're going to discuss the inside and what I like and don't like about the inside features, because I feel like the outside of the bags resemble the same. You have 2 pockets, you have 4 pockets, maybe 5 if you consider you have like a laptop pocket. So breaking down the inside I think is what really matters to me. So you can definitely see the difference once you look inside the bag.
So we're gonna do a comparison video. I'm going to share you my opinion and what I like. Your choice. All right, let's get started. You got it. What do you got?
This is my new costume.
What's your costume for?
You guys might be thinking, where is this costume from? Well, it's from Spider-Man Avengers Endgame. If you guys have watched that movie, you might have seen the suit.
It looks awesome.
And in Spider-Man Far From Home, you might see this suit as well. But unfortunately, it does have the glowing blue eyes.
Sweet, looks awesome. All right, Jake.
It's like
Oh, it looks so good with this jacket too.
Yeah,
Spider-Man colors. Check us out.
I'm bright red, she's darkish red.
What Spider-Man am I? All right, okay.
You're the Amazing Spider-Man 2012. I was born. And I'm Iron Spider-Man, if you probably recognize the suit from Avengers Endgame. You might recognize me, some parents. Some parents if you're my friends.
The YouTube videos with kids.
Yeah, true.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Another.
Where's that strap on? The video is 1 hour. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock.
Okay, that's new. Yay! So I'm Jenna Neal, and thank you so much for spending the time with me, watching my crazy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't all over the place. And thumbs up if you liked it. Look forward to our next video. Thank you.